Hey everyone, so I have been waiting to do this video. I need to clean my sponges and my makeup brushes, and I've been learning some new things. So I wanted to bring them to you. It's a cleaning hack for your makeup brushes, makeup sponges that you just have home remedies around the house, and it totally works. I'm going to do mine a little bit different, but the other day I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up two of these mason jars. They were 50% off, so I got one of them. I got this one first. I don't even know if that's right. This one first because it was bigger, and then I bought it, and then I went back and got this one. I love Hobby Lobby. It's inexpensive, and it's just my world. I love makeup, I love doing projects, I love art. And when I was younger, I didn't. So it changed. So I'm going to be doing something different. So I'm going to take this mason jar, the taller one, and I'm going to add some dish soap. I can't even talk right. I'm using the Gain Ultra Clean. You could use Dawn. So I'm going to fill this up. Just pour it in. I'm using a lot. And this isn't like a one-day project. It's gonna be I'm gonna let the makeup sponges sit for 3 days or 4 days, maybe even 5. I'm not sure how long. So that's quite a bit of soap. And then I'm going to use this extra virgin olive oil from Walmart. So I'm going to add that in there. You don't have to do this step, but I'm thinking it's going to help get off all the makeup stuff. I still cannot find my makeup brush cleaner from Amazon that I got for Christmas. It's nowhere to be found. I've looked high and low for it. So I'm going to add a little bit more to it. So then now I'm going to add cold water. Hopefully I can turn the camera around and do this. Hopefully. If not, I'll turn it back around and just explain it. So I'm going to use cold water. Then at the very end, I'm going to use a little bit of warm water. So hold that. So I had to dump some of the cold water out, and I'm gonna wait for it to get a little bit warm. Starting to go warm. A little bit. We need a new hot water tank. Ours is really old. Okay. So I have not cleaned my stuff in a very long time. So I'm going to dump some more of it out and see what happens. Okay. I'm only flipping the camera back. Okay, so I turned on, sorry about that. I turned on the cold water. No, it's filling up pretty fast. So sorry, I don't even know if you guys saw that. Hold on. So it's pretty full. So don't worry about that. Then I'm going to take this one and this one. And when they're like at the very top, you want to push it down, and it is totally fine. I should have dumped some. It's okay if it spills over. So there's about maybe 4 or 5 of these. I did not count them, but it's okay if it spills out. Now I'm going to rinse off my hands really quick, and I want to do it with my brushes, but I have a ton of brushes, as you guys all know. So I'm going to do another video on that and see how it goes. I might have to get another container or another mason jar and do it. So I'm going to add the lid on top, just like this. And then I'm going to screw this lid on. Okay. Hopefully this is the right one. Okay, I screwed it on. See all that soap? So maybe I'll come back within an hour or two and see how it has turned. But I don't know. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Maybe it works just with cold and a little bit of hot water and dish soap from Dawn. Or I like this one the best. Actually, no, take that back. I like the Palmolive one. I'm pretty sure that this is the best. So it looks yellow. So like in an hour I'll come back and show you guys. Or an hour or two. I have some things to do around the house and people to see today. So it might not be right away. I am going to shake this up a little bit because there is a lot of soap at the end of this. So I don't know if it was supposed to be like that, but there's still some right here. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit and see what happens. This could be a good thing or it could be a really bad thing. So yeah, I'll keep checking in and showing you guys the process and see what happens. Hey everyone, so I have been so busy that it has been over a week. It's been 8 days since I put the sponges in that little concoction, and let me show you what it looks like. It actually looks like very gross, curdled. It was supposed to absorb the water. I think next time, I'm shaking it up, but I don't know, I haven't even opened it up, nothing. So my dad said it's been sitting on the counter, and my dad said it's probably really gross, probably rotten, but I don't know. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm a little scared to open it up. So, but it's been 8 days. Took the seal off. I don't even want to smell it, but that's what it looks like. So, oh my gosh, they're like gross. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera around and try to show you. If I squeeze it out, some of the makeup is coming out, and the makeup sponges are still a little bit dirty. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys. Okay, this is what it looks like when I squeeze it. Sorry about that. I don't know why my thumb got in the way, but this is all the stuff that is coming out, and it is so squishy, and these sponges are quite old, so they're stained and stuff, but I'm going to turn on the cold water and a little bit of hot water and see what happens. There we go. So hardly anything is coming out. I don't know if the lighting is working very good, but I don't know. I think it's like the same as when I would do it in a day. It didn't really change anything, but I'm going to turn the camera back around. Okay, so I turned the camera back around and I'm laying this towel, and it's double-sided. It has, it's untucked, not untucked, but I'm layering, I don't know what to say, but there should be like soap coming out. There is a little bit. My dad actually thought that there would be soap stuck in the sponge, but once it is coming out clear, and I'm going to put it in really cold water. So, but you kind of use, I don't know, the soap is definitely coming out. I think next time I'm not going to put any olive oil in it, maybe afterwards, but to see what it comes out like, this soap and water, because I thought that it would absorb like all the water in it, and maybe it would if I did not put the olive oil in there. So I'm still wringing out soap in the sponge, and I'm using really cold water. My hand is freezing. I have no makeup on. I have not done my makeup yet. I wanted to get this done and out of the way because I keep putting it off, and I finally have a little bit of time today to do it. So it isn't like there's soap still stuck in there. This is not, my dad was right. Don't tell him he's right. Yeah. So in my hand you can see there's soap when I squeeze it. So I'm gonna try a little bit of warm water. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna do this and let them dry, and then when they're dry, semi-dry, then I'm going to come back with the end result. There's still soap in there. I might have to buy new makeup sponges because of this. I won't try it this way at all. I don't know. I might say that was a really good idea in the end, but it takes time. I should have done this a while ago. Also, if you do this process or clean your sponges, make sure that you have extra, because you don't realize, like, when you misplace something or you're doing something and you need that thing and you don't have it. It's been hard not to use a makeup sponge, and I used to not use makeup sponges for a while, and I actually didn't like them, but now they're like growing on me. Okay, this might be, I don't know. There's like, when you put it under the water, it like squeezes out, but there's still soap in there. Bad idea. Don't do this. If you have a different technique for cleaning your makeup sponges, comment down below in the comments. It's going to take a while. So I'm going to come back with the end result and show you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result, and it took a long time to get stuff out of the sponges. I would not recommend doing this. I will try to come up with a different technique and bring it to you guys, but I might try just the dish soap with water and do it for like 2 or 3 days or a day or a couple hours like I used to, and see what happens. So the Rogue Technique sponges, they kind of ballooned up because they're wet, and they came out the cleanest right here. So I'm glad that I did this and I showed you guys on camera, so that way you guys know, and hopefully this video uploads right, because I did a makeup brush one and I uploaded it and it doesn't work, and I don't know why, and I accidentally deleted the video, and so I'm like, I don't want to do it all over again. So please like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell before you leave, and yeah, so that you would be notified when I post new videos. First come, first serve. Please comment down below if you have any tips or tricks on how to clean your makeup brushes. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this makeup sponge cleaning hack, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it.